What's going on, Amazon sellers? Today I am going to be showing you guys what product to sell on Amazon UK. And no, these aren't some random products found off AliExpress or Amazon. These 7 products are all handpicked by myself and they are all top winners which we have already been validated by other competitors. So don't worry about wasting your time on this video because literally everything I'm going to be showing you guys today are high converting products which are sure to make you profit if you test them correctly. So I'm also going to be giving you guys the sale price for them. I'm going to be showing you guys the competitors listing. I'm going to be giving you guys a few other details step by step. Stay tuned. I am Sania Bill, the best Amazon FBA coach for 2018, and this is the place where new Amazon sellers turn for more sales and higher rankings for their Amazon products. So if you want to earn money on Amazon fast, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video as it will help me to beat the YouTube algorithm. If you want to do the research yourself and want to know the exact step-by-step formula to find winning products, then watch this video here. I will give the link in the description down below of this video. Guys, if you are thinking how to start Amazon FBA business in the UK, then I am going to share with you my step-by-step Amazon FBA guide. It is free to download for my subscribers only. So all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and then go to www.saniabillofficial.com and download the ebook right now. It is totally free for you. So let's not waste any more time. Let's hop in this video and let's get in the month's top Amazon products UK. Product number 7 is double belt waist trimmer. This is an awesome product that you can test, and one of the things that's really good about this is the margins are just insanely high. Like, we checked this out on Alibaba. You can get it for $9 and you can sell this product for $35 with shipping of $2. So here the profit margin is more than $20. This product is going to be perfect for a niche store if you are trying to do something like a slimming store, or if you check other competitor listing on Amazon, you can see that its listing quality is not good and you can totally improve and sell more of this product. It's definitely a cool product that you can test out, as a lot of girls are right now self-conscious because summer is here. So I definitely think that this is going to be a highly sellable product this year. Sell right now. Now let's move to product number 6, and that is from a baby niche. The reason I choose it because the sales on Amazon is actually nuts. There's 25,000 sales within 1 week on this product, and the listing is relatively terrible like this. It's just like not so good, that honestly, but that's a good sign. When you see something with a bad listing that's making a lot of sale, then that means you can drastically improve upon the listing and there's a lot of money to be made. So it's really easy to do. You can add some good reviews and make some better graphics, and I'm sure you will be able to scale really easy with this. The product is literally only $5 and shipping is less than $1, and the selling price is $30. So you can make such a nice profit margin of $22. Guys, we all know that the baby niche is so large and parents just love spoiling their babies. So it's like a no-brainer that this product will not perform well on Amazon, as it is a problem solver for the parents, and that's one of the reasons I think this is an awesome product to sell right now on Amazon UK. Okay guys, the next product that I am sharing with you guys today is 3D rolling body massage shaper. It massages inside your skin as it removes cellulite and increases your metabolism. It is definitely a problem solver and can be super beneficial for a consumer. It got less reviews on Amazon with a high demand. However, the listing made on Amazon are not promising and look really unprofessional. So definitely that is a plus sign, and it can increase your chance of selling it profitable on Amazon. I want you to bundle this product with other frequently bought items together and increase your profit margin. The product is selling for $40 on Amazon, but the product cost is $11 with shipping of $2, which means that the profit margin will be $20 here. Sell right now! Guys, in a minute, I will show you my profitable product to sell on Amazon UK, and it is one of this coolest product this year in the UK marketplace. Keep watching. Product number 4 is a very interesting product that sells all year round. So it's an evergreen product with a very good profit margin, and that is a giant human balloon. It's from the household category, games category, and it is a great product for family bonding and kids will love it. I also think that this item has a broad market base. You can sell like many different colors and also upsell your customer and raise the average order value. It's a proven seller on Amazon UK as people there love to play with these kind of stuff. So the selling price for this item is $20, whereas the product cost is only $3 and the shipping is less than $1. So you are looking at a very good profit margin of just over $16. Real quick guys, if you are just starting out to sell on Amazon, then I highly suggest that you learn step by step from my free ebook on saniabillofficial.com. It's free to download for my subscribers only, okay? So all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and then go to saniabillofficial.com and download the ebook right now. Next up is product number 3. And as we are going towards 1, I am getting excited as these all products are so good and profitable this year on Amazon UK. This dust wizard mop is a favorite product, my favorite product, and I got this in my house. I saw this product at my friend's house and it suddenly got my attention. I checked this on Amazon with my research tools and found out that this is one of the most high demand product on Amazon. It got less than 100 reviews on Amazon and sellers are selling this for a very good profit margin and making around like $15,000 per month guys with this one single product. The product is selling for $25 on Amazon, but the product cost is $2 and the shipping is like $1. So which means that the profit margin will be $20 here. Sell right now guys. Product number 2 is an interesting product and sells very well on UK Amazon marketplace, and that is magnetic charging market cable. As we all know, UK people like tech stuff and use a lot of gadgets. This product is an evergreen product that you can sell this all year round, and it falls under the tech niche and you can target both men and women, and it's a proven seller on Amazon guys with many orders, and it's easy to rank as it got less reviews and high demand on Amazon. This product comes in different types as you can target one phone brand, and once you start scaling up, you can add more brands to it. The selling price for this is just under $20, whereas the product cost is $2 and the shipping is $1 to $2. So you are here at a good profit margin of $16. And the moment we all have been waiting for, product number 1, that is pocket staff. Oh my god, I can't tell you how useful this product is and at the same time profitable. What this product is that it's little canister thing that's even smaller than your palm, and it turns into this giant staff, and I think it's really cool. This could be a cool product for people who want something unique, and especially with everyone being stuck at home with COVID. The listing on Amazon UK is not good and a lot of improvement in description and the title is required. Also, the product quality can be improved, and also it can sell as a bundle to increase the profit margin. The selling price for this is just under, like, you can start from 15, whereas the product cost is 1 and the shipping is also less than 1. So here the profit margin is 13 or more. Okay, UK Amazon sellers, there you have it, my top Amazon products UK. Did you learn something new from today's video? If so, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Also, if you want exclusive Amazon FBA techniques that I only share with my subscriber, then head over to saniabillofficial.com and download the ebook. It's 100% free right now. Now I want to turn it over to you. When are you planning to start selling on Amazon UK? Are you going to start this month, or are you going to wait for 6 months? Let me know in the comments below. I would like to hear what you choose. Don't forget to watch my video here, as it's a very useful video like this one and you will love it. So see you right there right now.